Hello, hi, this is Karthik Naidu here. So welcome to this brand new video in the segment New Stuff. New Stuff is where I come up with all the new updates and upgrades and new announcements of Searchy. So if you're still not a part of Searchy, so click on the link right below this video and get your free digital shop and upload your products and get started on the online business and how to take it to the next level. So in this particular video, I want to share a quick announcement, which is going to be awesome integration announcement with Pabbly. So you all know that Pabbly is one of the best integration tools with the entire 1000+ softwares. Now think about it, like Searchy is one part, and how do we connect Searchy with the every single platform that's out there? It could be Magic Bricks, it could be Just Dial, it could be your India Mart, Trade India, it could be any of those softwares out there like Facebook or any of those applications. Now you could do that very easily with Pabbly. So what we've done is we've kind of partnered and integrated our platform on it so that you can get started. So I've given my affiliate link right below this particular video, just in case you don't have an account with Pabbly right now. You can create it for free. You get about 100 tasks, which is free absolutely, to test it and start using it. So in this video, I'll share with you how you can get started, how you can use it. So if you look at my screen here, all you need to do first thing is about go to lead management. And inside lead management, you'll be able to check out something called as contacts. So click on contacts and you should be able to see a symbol here which is called as P. That's Pabbly. So click on this and you'll get your unique ID. So if you don't have an account, click on this right away and you'll be going into creating your brand new account so that you can get started with the free account and use to integrate it to the rest of the softwares. So you can copy this URL and you can get started. So how do we do this right now? So if you look at here, the first step you can do is go to your account, click on create new workflow. I can call this as test and I click on create. Now let's say that the most demand is about getting Facebook leads into Searchy platform. So can we do that? The answer is yes. So I'm going to go straight away right now and first I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads. Click on that. And once I've got Facebook lead ads, I'm going to go here and I'm going to mention whenever I get a new inquiry, I want that information, that new lead to come into Searchy. So I can go click on connect here. The system opens up. If you don't have it, add a new connection. You can call this as my new connection and just click on lead ads. It will ask you to authenticate it. And once you authenticate it, you should be able to check out your particular new connection. And once this is here, all the pages connecting to your Facebook will be displaying here. For instance, let me just go here and pick up right from Searchy itself. Okay, Searchy, we don't have the lead form. So I'll go with one of my other accounts, which is called WPS Education White Petal School. So let me click on that. And once you do that, you'll get all lead generation forms, or you can select any particular one. So just in case you have something exactly created, you want only those leads to come in, you can select that, or you can select every form that can come in. So I'm going to use all lead generation forms and because I want to get all the contacts inside. So now I'm going to go as save and test the request. The moment I click on save and test, it gives me information here. So what I can do is it is success. So first I will do here before going into the test account is to connect Searchy first. Okay, I'm going to go here and click on Searchy and I'll be able to see the amazing S symbol here. So once you come here, let's go here and say that create a contact. So what it's going to do here is whenever a lead comes from Facebook, it's going to create a contact inside Searchy here. So how do we connect this? Let's make a use of this. So just give me a second. I'll log into the actual account so I can show you exactly how. Yes. So let's go here onto my screen. And once it's completed here, so I'm going to use this create contact and click on connect. Now it will ask me which connection do you want to do. So I'm going to add new and it will ask me for a token. So the token is nothing but go back to your Searchy, go to contact, click on the P symbol, you'll get a token here. Copy this token, come back here, that's my test account. So you can come and paste it here and click on save. The moment you save it, it kind of connects here. But now the problem is the lead is not generated in Facebook. So it's pretty hard for Pabbly to send the information to us. So what we can do here is we can do a test run. So you can click on learn more. And once you click on learn more, you'll go into a page here which explains everything in detail about what are the steps. Okay, once you see here, there is one tool here which is called as the testing tool. So click on this testing tool here. And once you click on testing tool, it will open up here. It will ask you which page. So we selected WPS Education, right? So I'm going to select the same page here. And I have some information which is connected. That's awesome. So I'm going to go here, select which lead form I want from. So I can select that particular lead form and I click on create lead. Okay, the moment I click on create lead, I should be able to see that particular test account that comes into the account. Just in case if you don't see it like this, nothing to panic, just go back again. You can delete this particular form here. Okay, and you can go and create a new form. Okay, let's go here, go back into this particular section. Let's select any one of them. Let's call this as White Petals franchise. Let's go here and create a new lead. Okay, so once you've created the new lead here and you go back into your account, let's refresh and test it out here. Okay, so let's preview the form here before we do that. Okay, just allow me 1 second. Yes, so we are back. Let me just check if my recording is on. Yeah, so once you complete this test here, you'll be able to see the data on your Pabbly account. Okay, if you're not seeing on Searchy, nothing to worry, there's a step in between. So once you check out the lead form here, and there is one lead form, let's say lead form is here, and I go and create a lead here. So once I click on create lead and I track the status it gives me here, I'll go back into the Pabbly account, and here I can see the data that picks up automatically. You got that? So once it's created here, so let me say send it again, and now I'm going to see the test account is here. We're going to allow this, and you need to see a response here. That's a first step. You see that? Like all lead forms. Okay, any lead form. So you can go back here again, just in case you want to delete this, you can delete it. And if you're doing it for the first time, this should not be a problem. You can just simply go create a lead here, and the moment you create a lead, you can go back into your account, and once it's done, let's click on send and save data again. Yes, so once you click on this particular lead will create a test data into your system. Okay, so you need to go back to Pabbly here, and you'll see one dummy data that comes in here. So this is perfect, so it has all the information. So once this data comes in here, you need to click on Searchy, and you need to map that. So mapping is pretty simple. Go click on first name, and you can go click on name here. So you'll see the full name, enter that. So it will replace any new inquiry that comes with this name. So last name, you can put a dot just in case you don't have the last name. So email, you can go here and mention as email and add that field there. And you need a phone number. So you can click on this phone here and add the phone number here. So now we've completed all the steps. So you can add a tag. I can call this as FB ads. Okay, so that I know the tag inside the contact. So there's everything called as lead. So I can add one called as FB ad. So it clearly comes in. So I scroll down, and now I need to go and test this. So when I save and send the data on a real time, you should be able to see that contact coming into the Pabbly system. Okay, from the Pabbly system into your account. So whichever account you've created, you can just go click on save and send request. And the moment you've clicked on save and send request, the contact has added successfully. So it's a success message here. Let's go back here also and test out. So just in case if you don't find this, nothing to worry, go and type as test lead. So you can type as test, but here I can see on the top here. So once you click on test, you'll see that on the top. You see that? So this is called FB ads, and today's date and time and lead, everything is coming here. So this means that this workflow is successful right now. So all I need to do is go and turn this on, and your leads are going to start flowing into your contacts. And once it's in contacts, you can automate it pretty simple. So click on automation, click on automation workflow. And inside this, you can create a new one, which is going to be about whenever a new contact is added is the first step. Confirm that. And you can call this as a test or whatever workflow you're doing it. So I'll get started. And I can add a condition here, which is going to be evaluate a condition. And I'm going to check whether the tag is specific or not. So if I say FB ads, right, that was the tag we used there. So if it is FB ad tag, only then I want this to go and be added inside my CRM. So I'm going to click this lead pipeline, and I'm going to use a phone call stage. Click on save here, and now my workflow is ready, and I can even send like WhatsApp messages. So I can straight away click on WhatsApp message, click on the welcome message here and add this up. And you can go click on multiple options to create your powerful workflow. And all you can do is like you need to turn on the workflow. So click on this, and you'll be able to see this here and just confirm this. So now whenever a new inquiry is coming in, what happens here is it will automatically go and allot that particular inquiry into your CRM also. So if contact is added successfully, the first step will be like this will be added into your contacts, and next the workflow will test it out. If the tag is exactly the same and if the condition is same, you should be able to check out that particular lead. That's whatever you tested out right now should be sitting here on your lead. Can you see that? That's a test dummy data for full name. So it has been added into your CRM. So this is the process how to do it, and this is the integration, and that's not it. You can also go check out multiple applications that you can connect with. So for example, you want to connect Trade India, you want to connect India Mart, you want to connect Magic Bricks, okay, you want to connect Just Dial. There are a lot of other systems and softwares like Facebook to Instagram to you can literally connect all of the internet online applications in one click. And there's a powerful integration collaboration we've done. So you can go create a free account, get started, follow these steps and follow those articles, read what exactly it is, and this video should help you to get started with it. So wishing you the best in the next level of automations. So go get started with it.